Well, viewers, all these videos and all this time, let's see what's going to happen.
Okay, I pulled the fuel pump relay. I'm going to turn it over a few times and see if I hear anything. I've got my camera recording.
Uh-oh. I told you, Billy Bob, it was gonna happen.
Turn it over a few times. So you heard it here in the video. And the battery's kind of low. It's showing just a little over 12 volts. I'm going to put the battery charger
Hey, Billy Bob! Marvin said you blowed up! What happened, boy?
I'm going to listen to this video.
Were you making some more of that secret moonshine? I want some.
My Jeep update. Here in the near future, this will be my next project. I've got the motorcycle list you see in that long box there. And I'll be putting this